Do you find yourself frequently entering your phone number on Instagram? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on the Save Phone Number in Instagram. Let's begin by opening Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom red corner. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center. Click on Password and Security. Click on Saved Login. Click on the sliding button of Saved Mobile Number. And that's it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.